Artificial Fire Tiger. I spent many years producing electronic music, and I want to share some of my skills and techniques with you so that you can improve your music. So today we're going to take a look at creating an FM bass sound in the Vital synth. It'll sound like this. Okay, so we're in Vital and I've initialized the preset. So the quickest way to create an FM bass sound is to use oscillator 2 and set oscillator 2 to basic shapes, which will be a sine wave. This sine wave will go into the first oscillator and that will create our FM bass sound. So under this one we set this to FM from oscillator 2, and you can hear it's quite high pitch, but it is affecting that. So if we bring this down to -24, we've got that harsh, kind of guttural, distorted FM bass sound. Thanks for your time, and hopefully you can subscribe to these videos and I can give you some more tips. Alternatively, I'd love to hear your feedback, so please give me any comments.